The Cedar Mud Kitchen 1234 offers a delightful outdoor play experience with its realistic water feature, allowing children to enjoy a refreshing flow of water for their imaginative kitchen tasks. One of the standout features of this play kitchen is the dual-sided chalkboard, which encourages creativity, as kids can draw and write on both sides, enhancing their playtime adventures. The interactive cooking experience is elevated with two pretend stovetops that produce realistic clicking sounds, adding authenticity to the children's pretend play sessions. Ample storage is provided with multiple shelves, ensuring that all play kitchen accessories and ingredients can be neatly organized and easily accessed by little chefs. Constructed from durable cedar wood, the kitchen is designed to withstand outdoor elements, ensuring long-lasting fun and safe playtime with its smooth edges. With its thoughtful design and engaging features, the Cedar Mud Kitchen 1234 is an excellent addition to any backyard, providing endless hours of imaginative play for boys and girls.